YouTube? It's me and Ashley. We're doing the Copycat Challenge by Alex and Roy Wasabi from Wasabi Productions. You should go check them out. They're really awesome. We're doing the Copycat Challenge, okay?
Oh, did you forget to say something? You know what time it is.
Thanksgiving time. Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Get out
Do
of the spotlight.
jazz hands. Okay, jazz hands is over.
Okay,
Let's start.
okay. We each have 3 lives, and look, this is how it's gonna go. This is just practice right now. Okay, Ashley.
I do a move, and then she does my move, and then makes another move.
Yeah. Okay,
So that's
Ashley, do it. Huh.
Huh.
Huh. Oh yeah.
I forgot.
Okay, she lost a life, so now she only has 2
That
lives.
was practice.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Now we're starting. You go first.
I don't want to go first. Though.
You go first. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
That's enough of that.
Was it like this?
Yeah.
Oh wait, no. Hold on, let me restart.
Okay.
I lost a life, so.
That you didn't do. You did.
No, you did, didn't you? Ah, dang it. Okay.
Okay.
That was practice. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
That was
that's
practice.
Okay. When are we gonna start?
Am I going first or are you? We're starting right now.
Okay.
Get in the
I'll-
camera.
I'll go first. I'm already in the camera. I'm teeny tiny. I'm back to normal. I'm tall.
Okay. I'm teeny tiny. I'm back to normal. I'm tall.
That's not how it went.
Yes, it was.
You don't have to get back here to do teeny tiny. Normal in your regular spot. Then up here for tall.
That's what I did, didn't I, YouTube? Yeah, go tell her in the comments. Yeah, so tell her in the comments below. She has 1 life because you cheated. You said that I didn't do it right, but I did do it right.
No, because teeny tiny was back here than normal.
I
Then
did
tall.
that. I did that. I went teeny tiny.
No,
Normal.
you did teeny tiny. Tall.
What? No, I
Normal.
didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. You did it like
Say
that.
in the comments who's right.
She's an idiot.
I can hear you.
Idiot.
I can still hear you. You're right there in front of me.
You want to see me act like a librarian? Go finish your book report.
That's not what a librarian does.
A teacher. Go finish your book report and pull up your glasses. Amy. Sup? Let's finish doing the challenge. Okay.
You're okay. Camera. Okay.
I start first.
Okay, now we're doing taking lives away.
Yeah, now we're doing it. Because she was
That-
cheating. Okay. Yes, you are. Shut up. Okay. You're doing it too fast.
No, I'm doing it. No,
No, you're doing. I did.
Seriously.
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 You forgot a part. Now she lost alive. Let's restart. You go first. I can't make that.
Okay,
You did 2 moves.
no, I didn't want.
She's a cheater. You still have 1 life, but we have to restart because you cheated.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I did. That's
You
what
did your own move. You what?
No, because that's what you.
I didn't go. She still has 1 life. We're doing this another round. Okay.
There.
No, you didn't do.
Well,
You lost another life. She only has 1 more life. Okay. That's what I did.
there. Peace on.
Don't tell me. Okay, let's restart it. I lost 11. Now I only have 2 lives. Okay.
You couldn't make those chocolate.
Okay.
Ah!
I have 1 more life.
We both have 1 life, so help us out, people. I didn't do a sound.
Yes, you did.
No, what? Oh, yeah. Do your own move. Is that what you did?
I can't tell you. She lost a life.
I'm dead.
I won. I won. I won.
No, we
I
still
won, I
gotta
won.
do the person thing now.
Yeah, since she lost, we get to do this weird thing that we made this part up, but Wasabi Productions did something else. But we're doing when somebody loses, this is what we do. Okay.
She moves me.
I keep still lying, I'm trying to tell you, boy.
Seriously?
Actually, you have to move where the camera can see.
Oh. Okay. Let's see. You still lying.
You messed up.
How did I mess up?
You didn't do the first part.
Oh, yeah.
No, you lost. She's a loser. 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 Okay, she went over to the loser. Okay. Everybody wanted me to sing a little bit of the song. So here. Let it go. Let it go. Hold on. Let it go. Let it go. You'll never see me cry. I didn't sing the whole song. But if you want me to, I highly suggest that you put it in the comments if you want me to sing. Like the whole song of Let It Go, and I will see what I can do. Oh yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Have a good weekend. Bye. Oh yeah, and subscribe.